So this question here is question number 12 from alcohol spinol ether, phase 5 book, exercise 1. So we have the question saying preparation of ethers by acid dehydration of secondary and tertiary alcohols is not a suitable method. Now, first of all, formation of ethers is a difficult task whenever we take secondary and tertiary alcohols, because when we take a primary alcohol, we prefer or undergo the reaction by SN2 mechanism. But SN2 mechanism, so ether generation is very easy there. Ether is formed because attack is easy, bulky groups are less, so right side attack is favored and ether is generated. But when we take a secondary alcohol or a tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol or a tertiary alcohol, they will generate a carbocation. First of all, not favoring the SN2. It is not favoring the SN2. Even if it tries to favor or anything like that, it is becoming difficult over there. So a carbocation is generated from one of the alcohol. Then on the alcohol, this carbocation has to attack. Like for example, there is a secondary alcohol here. And on this, whatever acid catalyzed dehydration has happened and all. And as a result, there is a carbocation generated. Now that carbocation has to attack here on the hydroxy group. Carbocation has to attack on the hydroxy group so that there is formation of what? Formation of an intermediate. Like for example, from the secondary alcohol, I am taking secondary carbocation. Now this is attacking on the oxygen here, which is having a lone pair. Now this attack, whatever is there, it's a quite a difficult task. So the reaction, proceeding the reaction becomes difficult. Instead, what will this particular carbocation do? It prefers elimination. Because by elimination, which is by deprotonation, elimination, which involves the second step, that is deprotonation, it immediately forms a stable alkane. So the same thing holds good even for the tertiary alcohols. Because of their bulky nature, they prefer elimination reactions and resulting in formation of alkenes rather than that of formation of ethers. I hope it is clear. Thank you.